How many of you are feeling that you are insecure about your money? Think deeply. What is your thought about money? Whatever you are thinking for money, it is going to be your reality about money. Remember that. If you are feeling you are poor, you should not spend money, you should save money, you should save money, you should save money, this thought is create blocking your money channel. So this is a basic line. Now I'm coming on Reiki tips. See, some systems are basically created for financial healing. So these systems have their own energy, procedures, and techniques to heal financial abundance and prosperity. So, first of all, these systems clear the energy which is blocking our financial statement or abundance channel, blocking whatever the blocks is, it clears, and after that it starts filling that area. But if we are not attuned to these symbols, so this work becomes little bit difficult for us. Now we need to use Usui Reiki. Second symbol of Usui Reiki, which is called emotional symbol. If you draw that symbol in green color on your cash box, I mean to say inside your cash box, take a small paper slips 3 by 3, draw second symbol with green sketch pen and put it inside your purse, wallet, cash box, and under your pillow. Make strong intention that it is going to manifest abundance in my life. You will see within weeks, you will see great changes in your prosperity area. Second thing, if you are feeling that negativity you have on your workplace and it is blocking your prosperity and your working quality, so what should we do? Use first symbol and second symbol as a stick. So first of all, we need to make some small sticky notes, I mean to say 3 by 3 size page slip. Draw both symbols and paste them on walls. Paste them in a beautiful way that no one can see them. But yes, these symbols are very powerful energy generator, so paste them. And when you practice Reiki, so for 5 minutes, give them Reiki. Soon you will see changes. To manifest prosperity, actually there are many blocks, because generally we all have some energy vampires around us. Those are sucking our energy to manifest their own inner peace and happy life. And these actions are going easily without any intention from both sides. So to release that kind of codes, visualize the master symbol before you. Take 2 steps and feel you are standing in it. It will definitely block others' negative cards, those are coming towards you. As we learn grounding meditation, regular practice of grounding meditation opens our abundance channels and protect us from others' negativity and draining cords. Whenever you talk with someone, draw a big size second emotional symbol between you and that person. You will be free from their negative energy and thoughts. Always meditate that you are standing in a Reiki pyramid. I hope you all are aware about Reiki pyramid, which we are teaching in Usui Reiki level 2. Next thing is this Usui Reiki meditation. If you are doing 3 times in a week Usui Reiki symbol meditation, so it is very strong cleaner of anyone. 15 minutes are sufficient to clean your energy channels, and soon you will realize that you have power, you have willingness, and yes, you can create abundance for you. You are aligned with the universal energy of abundance. One more thing, in my channel you will see a Gassho meditation. How many practice Gassho meditation? And I have seen many masters are not teaching Gassho meditations. Result is this: people are not practicing Gassho. Gassho meditation actually has its roots to make us abundance. Because if we show the gratitude to universe, attitude of gratitude, AOG, so we earn everything. It is very simple. Please scroll my channel and start Gassho meditation. Say thanks for everything, whatever you have in life. But remember, you are not practicing NLP or other therapy, hypnotherapy. You are practicing Reiki, which is million times powerful than any other symbol, any other system, any other modality. So practice Reiki. Symbols are working as a trigger of Reiki energy. Your intentions and Reiki are very strong. So relax and meditate what you want in your life and start gratitude for that. But in Gassho meditation, it will manifest easily and it will increase the success rate of your work. So these are simple methods. Some methods we forget with time and non-practicing, sometimes unawareness, because generally manuals are not having a proper area for these beautiful practices. But I am teaching to my all students with great love about these things because it is very important to know them. Okay, for today I think it is sufficient. I will continue to talk about all these energies. Thank you. Ritu Kaushal, KaushalReiki at the gmail.com. Please write me. Om Shanti. Jai Sai Ram. Bye.